In Japan, 6-year-old children ride the train alone. They run errands by themselves. Visitors from around the world are always amazed. How is this safe? Today, I want to share my own answer to that question. Whether you agree or not, that's entirely up to you. In America, parents drive their children to school every morning. Letting a child ride public transport alone is almost unthinkable. But in Japan, it's completely normal.
Why?
More police? Stricter laws? Personally, I don't think so. I believe the reason goes much deeper than that. My answer is language. In other countries, an unfamiliar man is simply a man or sir. A stranger. No name, no relationship. But in Japan, it's different. Children call an unfamiliar man Aji-chan, which means something like uncle in English. It's the same casual, warm word they'd use for a friend's father. And the adult who hears it? I imagine the feeling is similar. Not, this is my grandchild. More like, a friend's child. Not family, but close enough to feel a quiet warmth. I think that natural sense of familiarity creates an atmosphere where people look out for children without anyone even planning to. But why do Japanese children speak this way naturally? I believe the answer lives in folktales. In every Japanese folktale, the elderly figures are always good people, and they're always called the same way. In Japanese, Aji, Isan, Oba-san. In English, Grandpa, Grandma. In Japanese, Aji-san, Oba-san. In English, Uncle, Auntie. No blood relation needed. Age alone makes someone family. Children grow up hearing these words in every story. I think that feeling, Grandpa is someone warm and good, grows quietly inside them. This is just my personal theory. Not everyone will agree, and that's completely fine. But if any part of this feels interesting to you, I encourage you to read Japanese folktales. All 1,400 of them. I believe you'll find something there. Something that's hard to put into words, but easy to feel when you read. This series exists to bring those stories to children and families around the world. So, to recap, why can Japanese children safely ride the train alone? My answer. The words Aji-chan and Aji-chan created a culture of quiet familiarity. And at the root of those words, 1,400 folktales. That's what I believe. What do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And please subscribe for the next story.